So the tip I'm going to share with you guys today is really a start of showing users how to build binders for certain types of audiences. And in general, I thought I would start with, how do you basically navigate in a binder? So that's what I'm going to cover today. So we're going to look at the help guide binder as an example of that. So if you guys are looking for a particular topic in a binder, there are ways that you can get to the sources that you want. So first of all, when you open a binder, you're going to see the main tabs of the binder. And the main tabs can be either on the left side of a binder, it can be on the right side of the binder, or by default, it can appear across the top. So you'll see different binders with their tabs in 3 different locations. The first tabs that you see are what we call main tabs. And for the author, it's really how you organize your content in a binder. So you as the viewer coming in or your audience looking at a binder is going to find your content based on how you label these main tabs. So I really like to think of the main tabs as like your navigation toolbar to the content of your binder. So here we can see in our help guide, we've got account management. We've got this pink tab that has a get started binder in it. And we've got various other editing tools, tips and tricks that are related to building a binder or just navigating your LiveBinders account in here. If I was interested in finding out, how do I add text? So here I've got hyperlinks in a text frame, and I've got a base tab that says set a target for your hyperlink. Again, main tabs is the first thing you'll see. Then any supporting documents underneath it will be subtabs, and then any supporting documents underneath a subtab would be base tabs. So you can navigate your binder just using the tabs alone. The second way that your audience can navigate a binder is by using our table of contents. And table of contents is automatically generated in each binder. You don't see this table of contents appearing in the editor of a binder. That's because you're focused on building your binder, and when you hit save, the table of contents that is appearing in the player of the binder will automatically update so that your audience is seeing your latest changes. So main tabs here are the first section of the outline. Subtabs are represented by the gray dots, and then any base tabs would be the little circles underneath the subtabs. Of course, some of our users, as they get familiar with their binders, they just kind of want to see everything that's in the binder, and they can do that through the table of contents. Now, the author of the binder can set the table of contents to appear as either a first tab or second tab position. The other place that you can find a table of contents is in the options menu here. Okay, so let's see how table of contents would work. So I would scroll down, and if I see something that I'm interested in, for example, uploading a file, I can click on that and it will take me directly to the location in the binder. So this is another way that your audience can find resources in your binder. All right, so the third way that your audience can find resources in your binder is to use this search tab names box that's up here in the upper right-hand corner. Every binder has one, and our search filters don't read your documents. We only apply them to the name that you put in your tab. So how you label your tabs is going to be helpful for your audience to find the resources that they're looking for. So to do that, you just click in the box here and you can type in a term. So I can type in upload, and it's going to show me all of the tabs, subtabs, or base tabs that has that term in it. And then I can pick the result that applies to me, and it will take me directly to that location in the tab. So that is how you would search for content in a binder. There are 3 ways that your audience can navigate your binder to find resources. 1 is to use the tabs, 2 is to use the table of contents, and 3 is to use the search tab name filter. And that concludes our demonstration today.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up below. For more tips and tricks to use on your LiveBinder, subscribe to our channel or visit us at livebinders.com. Thank you.